Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how you can make your online store website. You can create this type of website for free, and you can sell anything you like. You don't need any coding knowledge to create this type of website. Within a few minutes, you can start this type of online store for free. Here you can see, this is our online store, and we make this online store for free. This is our product page. If the visitor clicks on Add to Cart, they will redirect to the cart page. From here, they can change the quantity of the product. If they want to buy more product, then simply click on Continue Shopping. Now they will redirect to the product page and they can buy more product. By clicking here, they can remove the product from the cart. Now, when the customer clicks on the checkout, they will redirect to the checkout page. From here, they have to provide their contact information, shipping details. Now they have to select the payment method, whether they want to purchase by credit and debit card or by PayPal. Once they select the payment method, they can see the order summary. Now here you can see the discount tab. With this free method, we can also run discounts on our store. Here you can see, we add 25% off discount announcement, so if the customer adds this code in the discount tab, they will get 25% off discount on their order. Now, customer need to click on the pay button to place the order. Once the customer places the order successfully, we will get an email for the order, and we can see the order on our store dashboard page. With this method, we can see detailed analytics for visitors, orders, and conversion rates. Now without wasting time, let's get started to create a new online store for free. Now, first of all, open any web browser, and then search for Big Cartel. Open this link. Now we are on Big Cartel official website. This website allows us to create an online store for free. To make a free store, simply click on Sign Up. Now click on Sign Up for free. Now simply type your email address. Type password for your Big Cartel account. Type your store name. Click on Sign Up. Now we successfully created a new store for free. Now here, the website gives us checklists to set up our store. So first, we need to add the product to our store. So simply click on Add a Product. Now click on Add a Product. Now type the product name. Add your product description. Now if you want to add a category to your product, then simply click on Categories. Click on Manage Categories. Now type category name. Click on Save. Click on Done. Click on Status, and select Active Status to public your product. Now simply add your product price. Here we can see currency sign for our default account location, and we can change our store currency in Store Settings page. If you want to add this product on sale, then simply click here. Once you turn on the sale for the product, it will look like this. You can add additional individual products to this product. You can create groups such as product size, color, and pattern. You can add shipping rates for an individual product. You can apply tax if you want. Now click on Add an image to upload the product image. Click on Save. Now we are going to add some products to our store. Now we successfully added some products to our store. Now simply click on Account to edit our store details. Now if you want to edit your store profile, then simply click on Edit Profile. Now here, you can change your store name, description, email address. This email address is very important, so add your primary email here. because whenever someone buy a product or message you through your store, then you will receive an email at this email address. So make sure you add the correct email address here. Add your website link if you have. Click on Save. Now simply click here to view your store. Now, this is our store default looks. This is our store link, but yours is different than us. Simply copy this URL and share it to your social media platform to promote your store. Right now our store is in maintenance mode, and once we complete our store, we'll turn off maintenance mode. You can turn off maintenance mode from here. Now click on Edit your shop info. Now here, you can change your store URL. You can add a custom domain name for your store, which means, if you have any domain name, then you can use it on your store for free. This is a very good feature with the free plan. You can track your store web traffic by adding Google Analytics ID here. Now select a country for your store. Make sure you select your home country, because this location applies to your store payment gateway. So if you choose another location than your home country, then you may face an error to link your payment method. Now select your store time zone. Select your store currency. Click on Save. Now we need to add a shipping profile, so scroll down and head over to Shipping Profiles. Now click on Edit your shipping. Now here you can set your store default shipping rate, plus you can set the shipping rate for a specific product. Now we need to set up a payment method for our store, so simply scroll down and head over to the Get Paid section. Now click on Set up your payment options. Now here, we have two payment options, which we can link to our store. The first one is for accepting credit or debit cards for the payment, and the second one is for using our PayPal account to get paid. Both options are very easy to link on our store account. Now we are going to connect both payment options to our store. First, we connect Stripe account to accept credit and debit card. Now click on Connect with Stripe account. Now we are on the Stripe sign up page. Simply click on Continue. Now add a password for your Stripe account. Click on Continue. Now type your mobile number. Click on Send Text. Now we need to provide verification text which we got on our phone from the Stripe. Download this secure code. These codes help you to log in while your device is ever lost or stolen. Now click on Next. Now add your store information. Click on Continue. Now add your personal information. Click on Continue. Add your business details. Click on Continue. Now we need to add our bank details, where we want to receive payment for our store. Click on Continue. Now add customer support details. Click on Continue. Now review your details, make sure the information is correct. Click on Done. Now we successfully connected the Stripe account to accept cards on our store. Now we are going to connect our PayPal account. Click on Connect. Now simply type your email address. Select your country. Click on Next. We have PayPal account, so they ask us to log in, but if you don't have a PayPal account, then they will ask to create PayPal account first. Now log in with your PayPal account. Now we need to verify our action by providing a security code. Click on Continue. Now click on Go back to Big Cartel. Now we successfully connected our PayPal account to accept payment on our store. Now we need to edit our store design. So click on Design. Now from here, we can edit our store design as we like. Now first we need to choose the theme for our store, so simply click on Themes. These are the themes that we can use in our store for free. If you want to check any theme demo, then simply click on Tips and Examples. Now click on View Demo Store. Now here you can see how's the store theme looks. If you want to use any theme, then simply click on Use Theme. Now we have successfully changed our store theme. Now click on Settings. From here, we can add our store logo, header image, colors, and fonts. This background color for the body section. This content background color for the product page and listing. These 3 accent colors for the footer section of the store, so changes as you like. Primary text color for the heading of the product. Secondary text color for product description. If you want to add an announcement to your store, then simply type here your announcement texts to show on your store. Now we successfully created an online store for free. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. If you think this video is helpful, then please give us thumbs up and share this video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates.